Hi everyone, it's Joe from Rockbox Structures here again. We had a very particular client who reached out to build him a custom engineered scale house. This particular scale house will have an office and 2 built-in washrooms as well. It was engineered in a certain way where it can withhold their heavy snow load that they face in BC here. Come on in and let me take you on a tour in their mini office. So this particular office will be fully heated with AC as well. We designed it in a way where when the truckers do come on into the yard, they'll be signing in their slips. When they go around, they're finished doing their business in the yard, and when they do leave the yard, they will be sliding out as well. This particular unit also has some Ethernet cable ports built in. A beautiful mini kitchen as well for whoever's working, with a beautiful wooden butcher block top. Let me take you around into the washrooms as well. So when you do step out of the office here, for the clients that are working and for the truckers as well, the first stall, there is a toilet with a sink in here, heated as well for the nice cold winter months. And the second stall, we have a shower in here as well for the truckers when they do come on in. It will have a beautiful epoxy finish with a white corrugated steel liner, which is very easy to clean and maintain as well during the muddy season here. Within this maintenance room as well is going to be a very large holding tank. So we can have it designed in a way where we have fresh water and wastewater. Alternatively, we can have it plugged into your existing connections on site. So we can always custom engineer scale houses or any other custom structures based on the secants. Please do reach out to sales at Rockbox and we'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.